Is those just waiting for somebody to get them?
Yeah, go ahead, grab it.
Yes, sir.
No, not that.
Okay, girl, so you have a hot dog? What else?
And one, I want a sausage.
Okay.
My regular.
Okay.
You guys should be used to me by now because I come all the time for the same thing. Last time we got like 10 hot dog sausages.
She's getting a bag of chips.
No sodas again today, right, guys?
Soda's right here.
Oh, let's get it. Can I get a soda, please?
Right here.
Oh, thank God, yo. Angel Coke. Oh, word. They got the, what do you want, Sprite?
No, whatever you want.
I was getting the, well, they got, these are coated in the, huh?
Whatever you want.
Do you want a Sprite?
No, go ahead with it.
Here, leg. You paid for it? Did you pay for it already? The soda?
3.
Where's my sausage at, Brianna?
Yeah, grab one.
Okay.
$10.
Okay, can I just
Did he get my sausage?
grab it off?
You have to get it.
Oh, I just got to get it, right? Here.
Did you make this young lady a sausage?
Yeah.
I could just take one?
Yeah, you could just take one if you
Okay.
want to take one off the top.
Yep, I will.
One that's a little wider.
No more veggies on that? Yeah.
No, that's fine. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. No, thank you.
Have a good one.